Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a full-width image on Elementor. First, add a new section to your page. Navigate to the section's layout settings. Set the layout to stretch section to ensure it spans the entire viewport. Then, change the content width option to full width. This initial setup is crucial for achieving a truly edge-to-edge image display. Next, within your section, locate the column settings. It is important to set the column gap to no gap. This eliminates any default spacing that might prevent your image from being truly full width. After that, simply drag an image widget from the Elementor panel directly into your section. Now, you can upload or select the image you wish to use from your media library. Once your image is in the widget, click on it to access its settings. Under the image size option, select full to ensure the image uses its original dimensions. You might also explore the object fit setting under Style to control how the image fills its container, choosing options like Cover or Contain. Finally, preview your page to verify the image now spans the entire width of the screen. For best results, always double-check for any lingering default padding or margin values on both your section and column. These can sometimes prevent a truly full-width display. Also, use high-resolution images, ideally at least 1920 pixels wide, to ensure crispness on larger screens. Remember to optimize your images for web to keep your page loading quickly, enhancing the user experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.